Hello everybody, Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope you're having an awesome day. Wanted to touch base with everybody because right now we're getting a lot of questions from folks about lease purchases. We've talked about this topic before, but we're getting so many questions about it that I felt like it was time to revisit it. And generally, this is speaking only to the buyers that are out there wanting to go ahead and lease purchase something. And there's one very important factor that I think you really need to take in consideration, that most of these sellers that would lease purchase to you would consider a long-term lease. At least a lot of the ones that we've worked with would, if maybe for a year, maybe two, if need be. But the question that I have, given this fact that it does not look like there's a quick economic recovery coming around the corner, why would you as a buyer lock in today's prices because you can't close on it, so you can't take advantage of the low interest rates of today. You're going to lock in today's prices for some point in the future. In other words, you'll take what it's worth today, lock it into a contract, and then actually close on it a couple years from now. In fact, most of the not short sales, but rather lease purchases that we've dealt with actually never really close, and that goes down to expectations because a lot of the folks that enter a lease purchase from a buyer standpoint intend to rent, and a lot of the sellers think, hey, it's really a sales transaction. And it's good for the seller in that you're locking in today's prices because these prices are going farther south. So keep that in mind. So ultimately, I guess what I wanted to share with you is, you know, just go the normal rental route before you try a lease purchase because you're locking in today's prices because prices don't have any indication that they're going north anytime soon. If you got questions, comments, or you disagree with anything I had to say, email me, collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have a nice day.